We'll continue the same haloform reaction by taking one example. The question is between methanol and ethanol which undergoes haloform reaction. Here we are confusion. Why we are using methanol and ethanol? Because our study is aldehydes and ketones. Okay. The question is asked, suppose like this. Methanol and ethanol, between these two, which is undergoing haloform reaction? Definitely you have to change that methanol and ethanol to by oxidation aldehydes. Methanol on oxidation giving formaldehyde, ethanol on oxidation giving acetaldehyde. Okay. Now the condition for haloform reaction is if the aldehyde or ketone it is containing at least one methyl group that is showing haloform reaction. Therefore, in case of formaldehyde there is no methyl group, hence there is no reaction of haloform with formaldehyde or methanol. Suppose I will use here ethanol, undergoes oxidation, product is said to be acetaldehyde. Now this acetaldehyde, this is a carbonyl group. Next is said to be methyl group. Definitely it is a condition for haloform, therefore it shows haloform reaction. Like that the questions they are asking methanol, ethanol or propanol, like that whatever it may be, alcohols ಗಳನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವ. ಆ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ there are three important reactions we have discussed. Those reactions are said to be nucleophilic addition. There are various addition reactions. Next is said to be reduction. There are two important main reactions in case of reduction. One is said to be Clemenson's reduction, second is Wolff-Kishner reduction, most important reactions, and third is said to be oxidation of aldehydes and ketones. This is also important. There are two name reactions. One is Tollens reagent, another is Fellings solution reagent test, and third is said to be haloform. These three reactions are on oxidation. How these are said to be showing a reaction with aldehydes and ketones. Okay. So after that I will move on four type of reaction. That reaction is said to be reactions due to alpha hydrogen. Due to alpha hydrogen, which is known as alpha hydrogen, already we know many a times. If suppose this is a functional group carbon, next carbon is alpha carbon. Alpha carbon is containing hydrogen atoms known as alpha hydrogen. Okay. Now aldehydes and ketones, if they are containing alpha hydrogen, they are acidic in nature. Why they are acidic in nature? Because there is a strong electron withdrawing effect is taking place on carbonyl group. Why? Because there is a more electronegative oxygen atom. Hence aldehydes and ketones, they are containing alpha hydrogen, act as acidic in nature. I will represent how they are acidic in nature just by one general equation. This is a carbonyl group and this is one alkyl group. See, H is there. Okay. Now this is a functional group carbon. Next carbon is alpha carbon. Alpha carbon is containing hydrogen called as alpha hydrogen. Okay. Now this alpha hydrogen, when there is a base attacks on this compound, definitely it withdraws electron from this carbon hydrogen bonded. It is leaving as H plus and this becomes B H ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, the same represented I have here, that is C double bond O as it is, and C it loses proton, means those bonded electrons are on carbon and remaining bonds as it is. Now there is a resonance taking place. These electrons are shifted to this position and these are said to be on oxygen because of electron withdrawing nature of oxygen. It becomes O minus CC double bond and remaining as it is. Thus, there is a resonance takes place between these carbon and oxygen bonds. Which carbonyl group is there in case of resonance is said to be more stable than the corresponding carbonyl group. ಇವೆರಡು ಕಾರ್ಬonyl ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್? ರೆಸೋನೆನ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಬonyl ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ said to be undergoing stabilization in case of resonance structures. Okay, I will use one important reaction in this case. That reaction is known as aldol condensation. The name of reaction is aldol condensation. What is the meaning of aldol condensation? Important question and name reaction also. So name is aldol condensation. Aldol condensation. Okay, first I will explain the meaning of aldol. If a compound is containing or the product form is containing both aldehyde group and alcoholic group as functional groups, that means the product is containing both the groups, that product is known as aldol condensation product. That product is known as aldol condensation product. aldehyde dagindu ALD, alcohol dagindu OL, last end aldehyde ALD, alcohol OL ಎರಡು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ aldol. So what type of reaction is there? Let us, I will represent its explanation and all over the various examples notes will ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Even though I will explain this reaction, in case of aldol condensation, the only condition is said to be which type of aldehydes and ketones, aldehydes and ketones containing alpha hydrogen atom, they are showing aldol condensation. In this reaction, two molecules of either aldehyde or ketones are involved in the reaction, and they react with base. Okay, there is a product formed. That product formed just by warming or heating, loss of water takes place, and one more product is formed. That product is said to be unsaturated aldehyde. How it is? I will take an example. I will take acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. Okay, definitely it is said to be aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen. Which is alpha hydrogen? This is a carbonyl group. Next is said to be alpha carbon, and these hydrogens are said to be alpha hydrogen. Okay, another molecule I will use here, that is H, CH2CHO. This is also acetaldehyde. Two molecules are used in this case, and the base used is said to be sodium hydroxide. It is dilute, not concentrated. It is said to be dilute. Okay, what happens here? Definitely this is said to be acidic in nature. Andra proton is easily released, is shifted or withdraws by this oxygen. Hence this moves to this position, and this complete part becomes negative, and this carbon got a positive sign. The compound is CH3COH. CH3COH, and this is, I will take here, it is CH in this position. Remaining this complete part is said to be CH2 CHO. Definitely this is known as aldol condensation product. Why? Because this compound is containing both aldehydic functional group as well as alcoholic functional group. Hence it's generally known as aldol condensation product. What is its IUPAC name? Come to know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. On position 3, hydroxy group. Therefore, it is 3-hydroxy. 3-hydroxy. Main hydrocarbon is butane, and it is said to be 1Al. 3-hydroxy butanal. This on just by warming or heat, there is elimination of water. How water elimination is taking place? OH, again it withdraws one hydrogen from this position. Okay, because this is containing alpha hydrogen which act as acidic in nature. OH is minus, therefore this is H plus. Now it removes as H2O. Remaining is CS3C H as it is. CS3CH as it is. ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತೈತಿ ಬಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಇದೆ. Now it becomes CH. One hydrogen is combined. H2O removed. Remaining is CHO. Remaining is CHO. Okay. Now this is the end product in case of aldol condensation. The name of this is said to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, it is but. On position 2, En and 1 Al. Okay. Or generally, it is known as common name protonaldehyde antali karitirtare. So, very important question and simple question. Like which aldehydes and ketones containing alpha hydrogen you have to use aldol condensation reaction. I will give few examples. You have to compulsory do practice by taking this example as well as other different example. Acetone CS3C double bond O CS3. Next is C2H5 or simply you can take CS3 CH2 CHO. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಎಸಿಟೋಫಿನೋನ್ C double bond O CS3 alpha hydrogen. Okay, so like that, if you use the same molecules of aldehydes and ketones which are containing alpha hydrogen is known as simple aldol condensation. Simple aldol condensation. If you use a different molecules known as cross aldol condensation. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. One is said to be CS3CHO molecule and another is said to be CH3CH2CHO molecule. These two are said to be different molecules. If you use these two different molecules, the possible products, aldol condensation products possible are said to be 4. How it is? If these two combine, same molecules combine, one product is formed. I hope you have got the idea. As it is, one molecule is formed. This is a reaction mixture. If these same molecules combine, one product is formed. If these propanaldehyde combine two molecules same, another product is formed. Okay. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಾ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ, ಎರಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ನ, ಅವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು CS3 CH2 CHO ಬರೆದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ CS3CHO ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ another product is formed. Like that, if you use two different aldehydes, there are totally 4 products are formed. Better you have to try. If you are not understanding that cross aldol condensation, I will give all the different products how they are formed, but it is too easy you have to solve. First you have to take, that means first one, next is second as it is ಇದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ aldol condensation, important reactions, and next I will continue the aldehydes and ketones if they are not containing alpha hydrogen, what type of reactions are carried out. So we'll continue in the next class.